Okay. Annyeong 친구s, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a class on how to make makgeolli. Gatmoru is a little brewery in Gangdong that offers makgeolli workshops. The teacher could also speak English, so you can also come here as a tourist to experience making your own makgeolli. Sokdanju, also known as makgeolli, is a type of fermented rice alcohol. Sok means too precious and tan is to swallow, so it's literally a drink so delicious that it's too good to swallow. Here he explains the ingredients and a bit of theory behind the fermentation process. For 1 liter of sokdanju, you need 100 grams of non-glutinous rice flour, 500 grams of glutinous rice, 500 milliliters of purified water, and 60 grams of nuruk. The nuruk enzymes break down the rice into sugar and is then turned into alcohol and gas, which makes the makgeolli a bit fizzy.
125 grams.
120
Yes.
grams. Okay, let's try. I don't want to go too crazy right now.
That's gonna be like 20 grams.
Rather have it slowly. Now it's our turn to make our own makgeolli. The first step is the mitsul, the starter paste. We needed soaked and grinded regular non-glutinous rice, which he luckily prepared for us already. We were adding water to the moist rice powder and mixed it well. To get a good result, it was important to follow the ratio, so we carefully measured the ingredients. After dissolving the rice flour in cold water, we started boiling the mixture and kept stirring until we ended up with a thick, smooth paste.
Use those strong arms. Use those strong arms.
Yep. In our next step, we cooled our rice porridge with a cold water bowl and fanned it to under 30 degrees Celsius. Just then we added the crushed nuruk and mixed it all well together again. When our paste was ready, we filled it into a clean fermentation container where it would sit 48 to 72 hours to ferment. Since we were doing the workshop in one day, we got another prepared starter that had been fermenting for 3 days. You can see that it already started forming bubbles. Our next step was to strain the mixture through a net and net the remaining rice clumps. Our teacher again prepared the next ingredient in the morning for us, which is cooled down steamed glutinous rice. We added that to the starter liquid and netted the rice into it.
Slowly, tiger.
Slowly
How romantic. Yes.
After, we put the mixture into a clean fermentation container again and sealed it with our name tags. The Seoul main brew should sit for at least 5 days unopened at 20 to 25 degrees in a stable shaded location to ferment.
That was apparently our beautiful workshop for our makgeolli. We watched a special traditional Korean dance show because they prepared it for us. So There it is. We're now going to pick it up.
After 2 weeks, we were able to pick up our finished makgeolli. Before decanting the makgeolli, of course, we had to do a taste test first.
Stir, stir.
The last step was to stir thoroughly before straining the mixture again through a cloth and netting the remaining rice inside. Then it was time to bottle the liquid with a funnel and labeling our bottles. You can store this makgeolli in the fridge for about 2 years.
Perfect, Sammy.
Okay, we just picked up the makgeolli. Yay!
The liquid will naturally separate when it's stored. If you want, you can carefully pour only the top layer to get the clear part, cheongju. Now let's see what our coworkers think of our creation.
Have any of you had makgeolli before?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Awesome. So what you have in front of you is makgeolli prepared by your 3 very famous coworkers. And we hope you enjoy.
Okay.
Yes, you should smell it first.
I mean, it smells quite legit, I have to say.
Oh, it smells legit.
It smells how it's supposed to smell.
Yeah.
Because now with the monsoon season, it's like time
like
to
beer.
have makgeolli with like ton, the pancake. Okay, cheers, my friends.
Cheers.
Okay. Oh, that's actually not bad.
Such a strong taste.
It's not
That's strong.
I would say it's strong, but in a good way. I think you did phenomenal.
It's good.
Yeah.
Amazing. Perfect. Thank you guys so much.
Thanks, guys.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
막걸리 좋아요?
너무 좋아요.
먹어봐요. 냄새 어때요?
미리 말했어.
요거트?
쌀.
괜찮아요?
맛있어요.
진짜요?
하나 주세요. 맛있다.
진짜?
아, 맛있는데?
맛있어요.
부드러워요.
탄산이 없고 완전 부드러워요. 좋아하는 스타일이에요.
저 하나 주세요.
네, 많이 마시겠어요.
잘하는데.
이거 괜찮아요.
땡큐.
5만 원 주세요.
5만 원?
감사합니다.
자, 가져갈게요.
네.
저는 이거.